Hadian ka jingïada ki Samla Pule ka College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Science ha umyam nadu dang step halor ka jingkeno le Kynshleiñ uai unong hikai ya arngot ki Samla Pule kiblara aru ringkat ki plakat ban pinremjor ba ki Samla Pule kimdei ban long langknya haba ki lek ban pindeb ya ki jing Pule ki Samla Pule katei ke skul ba kilapin triang badi ban Weng Beit ya utei unong hikai balatip kerteng kum upranab datta hadian baya katei ke jingïada kila debru ban ujor sha ke internal complaint committee bat lada katei ke committee kamla ban le AA kimban se ban shimpat daki we kisinjam halor katei ke jingïada kitei ki Samla hadian kattu kat ni por la Wan Poi ru ki Pulit ringkat Majistor kibla pinjai jai ya katei ke jingïada bat batharu mardor ki bor badai pet katei ke skul ba lingba ka internal complaint committee ban pinlong ke jing tokit bat ban sei madan ru ya ka kai pot jing tokit halor katei ke jingkeno kitei ki Samla Pule kumba ke jing dawa kalong ban Weng kam sendon namar kidon hadu arngut ki Samla ki belangat ha katei ka apot kumbala keno bat lada katei ke internal complaint committee kam Weng kam nakaliang ki Samla Pule kin beteng ke jingïada bat ban yat pan diki we kilinti ban kirshan kitei ki Samla Pule hadian ke jingyo jing ujor nakaliang ki nong yalam ka ribhoi ka women's organization of ribhoi kum ka kinhon ka bajupet ya ka bahakamiat ki Samla Kynthei khina ha ka jingyalam ka kong mirajun mirsing kum ka president bat ka kong rivulet kila kum ka nong aiboi ringkat kila poilang sha katei ke jaka banwat jingtem bat ban aimen siem ki Samla namar ki babon ki Samla kimi na ka yeng ban lej wat jingnang jingstan bat kum ka seng kam kwa ba kini ki brio banabar ki wan ban pinlong ya kani ka jaka le be ijot ki khina Pule bat kum ka seng ka pinrem jor ya utei unong hikai ubla nur ban le kum ka tei ka jat kam ban pintiang pinsmi ki Samla Pule.
Students of CPGS AS Umyam, we have come together to protest against the sexual harassment of our two fellow research scholars by the chairman of School of Crop Protection, Professor Datta, and the girls have been sexually harassed by the professor. So we have come together to stand and fight against the sexual harassment. And also we are truly disturbed by how the internal complaint committee has been handling the case. So we want justice and we want
since he has not been terminated or any legal notice or circular has been made till now, because such kind of faculty or a person shouldn't be allowed in the campus or anywhere in this academic campus. So we want a complete termination for him, and until the further notice, we want him to be stay out of this campus, and that's our major demand. And we need an external complaint committee to look into the matter further, because we have no trust in the internal complaint committee. That's what we are doing.
Women organization of Khubor District. Yo ikan complain, hadin bala yo complain. Saturday, immediately ngila ay pisang ban buat ikilat enti jingara, ngila consult iki, tingla pentip sa Women Commission, ngila pentip ru sagi police officer badi jongka women's wing mo. Ti ngila yo banyakan beki, ngila yo ban discuss beki ti hadin katanya ay ka motivational support iki makin yak sakrang namar bangi sutu ba kani ka harassment, sexual harassment ya kikina kambi tang ya kikina na nagilong kumi kambi ka bajatang hangi hapo district jongi kadi ka bajas kiwi ki jakaru babun ki naki brio ki bangat hakini ki jingjam kimnut ika bansimi ka step bakin wan sakman baka pelong iki bakin poishedu bakin le ikinut kin bantik any drastic step to harm themselves tegnang banlat ni kini ki baro ngi kum kilong kumi idon yak tak hok bangin support iki kanang ban ai men sim iki kinu ki basem kum iki jingja bakin wan sakmat bakin mi sakmat bakin complain be la kalong hakano kuno komro kin dei yak ban shifting ka ka ba jai ki kun Kynthei ki jongi mo ngidi ban nut yak ban slur yak ban kren yak hok bat ki shisha te nakadaw nakaliang jongi ngi wan hang ni ban support iki tingla yok ban kren bat ki te nakaliang jongi ngi power ki jing sungu DC USP jong krib hoy kira kila yo jing tips pangkanya but immediate action kila sim kila pha iki ki police ang ni ban protection te kum jur mentasa sipang esi kila ban wan ki magistrate tingi pinpaw ke jing sungu no DC but SP ro jong krib hoy district kila sim immediate action on this matter tang katay ki
Organization of Khubor District ni kadai kaseng kabapet lani ko organization kabapet ya kabahagamnya jong ki khulung ki Kynthei o ki kena samla ki long kami hakabia dei bati Kynthei ti hadin bangila ayo ka complain la ki student jong kene ka university ka badonang ni ha umyam halor ke jingsha haras ke jongki Teka pelong yangi kumki long kami jong ka Riboi district himo ka women organization of Riboi district ka pelong yangi bangin wan kan banya ai men simiki namar ni perkhat ai jinglong ke jinglong ke jingiem ka baman ke si ke jongi ki kun ki kti ki jongi ki babun ki don sabar ki pule sabar lada kum kini ki jingja ki ja ki kun ki kti ki jongi kan long kan pensong si ya ka men sim ki jongi ru habangi pe kini ki student ki badon hang ne ki bapli ki jangai la ki jong ki kimi ki pan la ke jong ke shnong ka thau ki kimi ki pa le si he ki jinglong duk la ne ki jinglong perdu ki le shitom ban pha pule la ki jong ki kon ban yo e ki jing nang jing start but shu kane ka university ka badon hang ne ka dei ka bahap hapo jong ka Riboi district tingim sngau tanat ba kini ki university ki banabar habakin wan shapo ka Riboi district jongi bakin wan pelong tangkum ka jaka ban le be ijot e ki khana school ki jong ki tena kaliang jong ka women organization of Riboi district ni kondam ye une professor uba harasi kini ki student but ni ong ru bana kaliang jongi we strongly support ye kini ki student.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.